Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block private number calls on Android. So first of all, make sure you will have Android device as well. After here, just swipe up and just find the phone log. After here, you will be just see the three dots which is top right corner. Just tap on it. After here, you will be just find the settings options. After here, the first option is that block numbers. So I am going to just tap on it and you will see the block calls from unknown numbers. So make sure this off part turn it on, and now you will be just block private number calls on Android, or you will just have add phone number by if you just in your mind, so just type the number and just add in this block list. So as simple as well. In this way you will just have to block private numbers calls on Android. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.